Alright guys, the brand new repeater rifle is officially in the game. We're gonna drop in, try and find this gun, get a couple kills with it, get a win. Now apparently this gun's actually super insane. Apparently if you get 2 of them, it can double pump. And it absolutely destroys kids. So we have to get 2 of these. Alright. It gets fighting, they're flying all over the place. Alright. Bloody hell, everyone's having to go at each other. Give me the new gun, please. Oh my god. You're dead. Does he have the gun? No, he did not. That's a bit sad. Alright. Give me that. Give me those minis as well. Oh, I didn't know I dropped the big pots. Give me that. Alright. Heavy headshots. Give me that. That's going to be good when we get the gun. Alright. I just got to continue looting. Hopefully I find it soon. You're dead. Do you have the new gun? No, he didn't. But he had a better shotgun for me, so I'll take that. Oh, God. How hard is this gun to find? Bloody hell. No. Oh, my God. I thought that was it for a second. Oh, surely it's got to be in here, right? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, we did get a purple MK, though. I'll take that. Alright. Got some pretty good loot. We just got to find this new gun, man. Honestly. Give me a good perk. Heavy ammo required. Gain instant gain heavy ammo. Oh, that's gonna be insane, bro. We got both the fucking heavy perks for the new gun. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Alright. Now I just gotta find the bloody gun. I thought that was gonna be the easiest part, to find the gun. But nope. Turns out it's not gonna be the easiest part. Give me the gun. Gun in here. Oh, here's the gun. Here's the gun. Oh my god. Here it is. The brand new explosive repeater rifle, bro. Look at this thing. Oh, we're gonna drop our SMG. Actually, we're gonna keep SMG. Put our AR in here. Oh, there's a guy here. We can try it. We can try it on this guy. We can try it on this poor bloke. Come on, mate. Oh, here he is. Oh, 76. All right. 35 white. 38 white. He's low. Alright. Pop some heals. This guy's almost dead. Come on, mate. I want to get my first kill with the gun. Come on, buddy. Wanna go, buddy? Do you really want to fight? Mate, no offense, but I'm pretty sure I have the HP advantage. You're dead. Yep. Oh my god, we got 2 of them now. Holy. We have to rock 2 of these. Oh my god. Alright, let me pop meds though before I die. Give me that crown as well, please. Alright, we've got our first kill with the new gun. Let's go. And there's another one right here. So I'm going to pop this big pot, grab another one, and then we're going to rock 2. We're rocking 2 of them now. We got 2 of the brand new repeater rifles. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright. Oh, it's a guy right there. Ooh, 138. Oh my god. Alright. Bloody hell. Okay. That's a bit overpowered. Let this guy go, though. Oh, he's in there. Oh, and you're dead. Oh my god, alright. This gun has quite a good explosion radius as well. Oh my god. Alright, alright. Alright. Where are some more kids at? Oh! Oh, that answers my question. 76. Come on, mate. You're dead. We gotta try 2 of these. Ready? Oh, well, never mind. I didn't really get to try 2 of them. Alright, we'll try 2 with the next guy we find. Alright, that's 5 kills on the board. Oh, what the... Come on. Try 2 of them. Oh, god damn. Alright, alright. There's another guy somewhere. I heard him. Shot me from... Oh, there he is. Alright, mate. Leave me alone, please. I'm stuck in an umbrella. Oh, we're getting third party by some kid. Alright, that's a bit weird, isn't it? Okay. Gotta try 2 of these, come on. Bro! Cause I gotta get third party, man. Bro, piss off. Get me in. Alright. Alright. I gotta pop some meds. Alright. Med kit, give me that. Alright. Oh, this kid's fighting a Slappy. Alright. I gotta kill a kid, get a big pop, get back to full HP. I still have to try 2 of these, bro. Oh, please give me a shield fish. All Slappies, we'll take that, we'll take that. There's only 7 other kids left. Come on, come on. I heard kids fighting over here. I don't know where they are, though. I did hear kids fighting. Come on, bro. Where you at? Where you at? Oh. Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god. You're dead. Come on, mate. Oh, let's hit myself. That's nice. You're dead. Alright, we're fine, we're chilling, we're still alive, we're still alive. Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good. Alright, easy. Alright, 2 other players left. Come on. Oh, there's a kid right there. Ah, come on. You're low, buddy. We gotta... Ready? Bang, 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 bang. Oh, you are dead, mate. Holy. I feel bad for that poor guy. Alright. Where's this last guy? Where is he at? Oh, here he is. What's this guy doing? Oh, he's cracked. Come on, mate. Oh, let's go. Holy, bro. This gun's actually cracked, man. Oh, my God. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know down below in the comments what you think of this new gun. Personally, I think it's pretty broken. But anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.